Anong favorite side dish nyo sa Samgyup Salamat? Ako talaga itong Pamuchim all-time favorite. Di ko na mabilang sa kamay kung nakailang ulit na kami dito. Pero one thing is for sure, Samgyup Salamat talaga yung OG barbecue na di namin pagsasawaan. This time, we went to their Araneta branch and ngayon pa lang namin matatry itong chicken balls. And my gosh, masarap pala lahat. Merong original gochujang and favorite namin yung yangnyong. Kung usapan naman ay yung meat quality and sides plus considering the only price, sobrang sulit and satisfying talaga dito palagi. Tapos complete rin sa banchan and masarap lahat lalo na yung scallions, pickled onions, steamed egg, and sweet potatoes. Minsan nga kahit steamed egg tapos mainit na rice lang, solve na talaga. Sa meat naman, matik na, mas sinusulit talaga namin yung beef. Plain man or marinated, sure ka sa quality. Tapos sa pork naman, our top choice is always the buljip. We always like their cheese rin pero new and improved pa daw yung cheese recipe nila ngayon. And mukhang true naman,